Vad menar du?
Alltså för dem.
Ja.
Det är så chill. Okay, this is Gaz Express at Bagatelle here in France. Last coaster of today. Check out all of the other ones. We're gonna go back and do some re-rides in Hangover, of course. But this is your number 5 of today and my number 4 of today.
Kind of loud.
It's very loud, shakily feel. Oh, the rollback system is very loud. But it looks like the track is newly repainted. Very pretty colors. You have some theming going on here with some water pools and water splashes. Here we go. Gaz Express. I did not expect that. An indoor section. Okay. Wow. With some smoke and things. Woo! Not what I expected. Wow. Wow. We went. This is. I did not expect that. I had no idea what we were. Alright, one more time. I did not expect that. Wow, that was Gaz Express here at Bagatelle. That was fun.
One more time.
One more time. One more time. Three. Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna sit down this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to the first.
Really like, whoa.
Yeah, I went over. I kind of hurt my elbow a little bit.
Yeah,
I'm fine though.
My legs is more hurt.
I'm gonna see if I can like do this because this one, I don't know, it's too close. That's even worse. No, I think like this. So it said in the weather app that it was gonna be 29 degrees today, so we have shorts. I think it's 19. It's only 10 degrees different. Oh, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm now holding on. It's warm, it's nice. I was so surprised with the theming. Yeah, the water is fantastic. Okay, holding on. That went better, it went better. Surprised me with the water. This is like, wow. Yeah, he used to do that. I like this. A nice little coaster. Everyone, that was the last coaster. We are not riding, we are not filming on the kiddie coaster. But everything else we have filmed. We're gonna go back and do some re-rides in Hangover.